Hello, this is John from Data Matrix. In today's video, we will be going over the process involved in setting up a scan to network folder on a Lexmark multifunction printer. Let's start by right-clicking our Windows desktop and creating a new folder named Scans or whatever your preference is. Next, let's click the Windows icon in the bottom left of the screen to bring up the search bar. Start typing the word user. Then you want to select the option Add, Edit, or Remove Other Users. Here, choose the plus sign next to Add Someone Else to this PC. Now select I don't have this person's sign-on information. Select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now we are going to make a new user account on this PC that will be dedicated to providing user authentication and access to the shared scan folder we have just created. Proceed through the steps and make note of username and password use. Next, let's go back to our Windows desktop and right-click our folder we just created, and at the bottom of the list, choose Properties. Select the Sharing tab at the top of the window. Click the Share button. Here we are going to add the username of the account we just created to give it permission to access the scanned folder. After that, we will choose Advanced Sharing. Check the box to share this folder. Click on the Permissions button at the bottom. Next to Full Control, select the checkbox for Allow. Press OK and Apply twice. Now that our folder is set up, let's access the printer's settings through the web page by typing the IP address of the Lexmark multifunction printer in the search bar of a web browser. To get to the scan to folder settings, click on Apps at the left side of the screen and then scroll down to the bottom and expand the section Scan Center Network Folders. Choose the Configure button. Scroll down and choose the blue button that says Create Network Folder and name it to your liking. To find the folder address, click on the Windows icon in the bottom left of the screen to bring up the search box. Type in the letters CMD or Command Prompt to search for the command prompt. Open it. Type ipconfig with no spaces and press Enter. Within the generated list, make note of the IPv4 address. The folder address that we will enter will be 2 backslashes, the IP address we just made note of, 1 backslash, and then the name of the shared folder. In our case, Scans. For the authentication options, change it to Use static username and password. Enter the username and password we created at the beginning of the video that has permission to access the shared folder. Double check all your settings and then press Test Connection. If the test is successful, you can save and we are now finished. On behalf of Data Matrix in Brea, California, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.